welcome back to my channel. It's like 10 p.m. hence why everything looks so dark and gloomy. The tutorial for this hairstyle is linked down below if you want it. It's kind of falling, but it was cute when I did it. Anyways, my Boxycharm has been waiting for me in the mail for a while now. It's a little bit late, but better late than never. So let's just go ahead and get right into this unboxing. The theme for the month, oh my god, these get cuter and cuter, is Caribbean Queen. I love it. I am so excited. This is a set of 3 Luxie brushes and I'm really excited because whenever I get brushes, I'm like, I don't know, I have like a brush fetish. Like brushes are just what I live for. Brushes are what I hoard. Brushes are what I spend most of my money on. And they look almost the same, but they're not. So very, very cute. I'm sure you've seen other unboxings by this point. I'm sure you've seen some try-ons by this point. I just wanted to post this up in case you haven't, but I'm really excited. I love this one. I feel like I could use this for like highlighting. So way to go, Boxycharm. I'm already happy. We could literally stop here and I feel like I've gotten my money's worth. Next we have a cute little box and it says Baddington lashes, and you can never have too many lashes. These are nice, like wispy everyday lashes. They're just super, just natural. I love it. The band looks super comfortable and I like how the lashes look real. And next we have a dark brown eyeliner pencil from Jante Blue. Let's just go ahead and use this right now because I can use the more line. It's okay. I feel like it could be a little more creamy, but I'm not complaining. We got it in there. It's cute. Very nice. And we have a liquid lipstick from Ofra. It's called Verona. Oh my god, I have lipstick on my teeth. This happens every time. Anyways, I hope that was in there the whole time. So let's go ahead and try this on. I needed this color in my life. I'm putting it on over what I already had, which is Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood and the Pixie by Petra lip plumping gloss, I think, mixed together. This is so much better. I can actually see my lips. As long as it doesn't get on my teeth, I'm happy. If it does, I'm so sorry, guys. Ooh, last thing is a Alamar Cosmetics. It's a yellow eyeshadow palette, and these colors are so cute. I live for colors like this, like live for oranges, peaches, reds, browns. Like they just made me happy with one little palette. And of course the shimmers are always a bonus. So wow, I'm really excited about this month's Boxycharm. That was my unboxing. So that was this month's unboxing. Short and sweet. I'm super happy. Literally, I say this every month, but I'm dead serious. Every month the Boxycharm gets better and better because I literally just got 3 full-size Luxie brushes, which Luxie is like amazing. I got a pair of lashes that are super cute. I got an eyeliner pencil in a color that I would actually wear, and I got a liquid lipstick from Ofra in a color that obviously is like meant for me, and I got a full-size eyeshadow palette. Guess how much Boxycharm is per month? $21, and I just got all of this. It's like a whole Sephora trip. It's like Christmas and you get it every month. So if you want to learn more about Boxycharm, go ahead and click the link down below. I feel like at this point everyone's subscribed to Boxycharm, so congratulations. I have heard that everyone's getting different boxes now. We used to all get the same ones, but if you got something different, comment down below. Let me know what you got. I'm really curious to know. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a giveaway coming soon, so stay tuned.